Delhi, it's BJP versus AAP again. In fact, there's a protest by BJP workers against the assault that happened on Swati Maliwal in the residence of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, Aam Aadmi Party has also come forward and said that there was a condemnable incident that took place with the PS of the Chief Minister, Bhaibhav Kumar, assaulting Swati Maliwal. Swati Maliwal had also called up Delhi Police PCR on that day, but she had not filed an official complaint. Aam Aadmi Party had officially reacted to this yesterday with Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh admitting that there was an incident of the sort and Aam Aadmi Party will take action against him. I have my colleague Ishika joining us with more details on this. Ishika, tell us about this protest by BJP workers. What are these women saying?
Well, we are currently present here near the Chief Minister's residence where the Delhi BJP is holding a massive protest march towards the Chief Minister's residence. We'll show you the dramatic visuals from here. You can see all of these are women karyakartas of the BJP who in fact are trying to reach towards the Chief Minister's residence. But certainly due to the heavy security deployment, you can see that scuffle is what we're witnessing between the women karyakartas and the Delhi police. You can see they're trying to climb the barricades as of now. So very dramatic visuals now coming from this protest where in fact all of these women karyakartas are trying to climb on the barricades, but certainly with this huge police deployment here and security forces that continue to be here, certainly what we are witnessing here is dramatic scene scuffle that continues to happen between the women karyakartas and the Delhi police personnel. So certainly क्या कहेंगे, क्या आज ये प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं?
केजरीवाल जी को महिलाओं का सम्मान करना नहीं आता। अपने सीएम आवास से बुला के उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जो राज्यसभा सांसद हैं, दिल्ली प्रदेश महिला आयोग के अध्यक्ष हैं, उनके साथ दुर्व्यवहार किया, उन्हें पिटवाया। अगर सीएम आवास में भी वो सुरक्षित नहीं है तो कहाँ सुरक्षित है? हम इसलिए इस्तीफा देने के लिए इस्तीफा मांग रहे हैं केजरीवाल जी का।
इस्तीफा मांग रही है। So certainly here all of these women karyakartas they continue to say that they continue to see the resignation. क्या कहेंगे आज आप?
केजरीवाल होश में आओ, तुरंत इस्तीफा दो। इस्तीफा तुमको देना होगा।
स्वाति मालीवाल तो खुद ही नहीं आ रही है पुलिस का।
स्वाति मालीवाल है कि नहीं किसको पता। दिल्ली पुलिस तुरंत उनके ऊपर केजरीवाल के ऊपर केस दर्ज करे और हमें यहाँ से हटाने की जगह केजरीवाल को पकड़ो, उसको बंद करो। वो अपने घर में महिलाओं को बुला के मार रहा है, हम यहाँ पर उसके सम्मान में हैं। केजरीवाल होश में आओ।
So certainly, very dramatic scenes from here. All of these women karyakartas of the BJP, they continue to say that they will continue to hold this support, hold this protest march in support of Swati Maliwal, and Arvind Kejriwal needs to resign from his Chief Minister's post because they allege that all of this happened at the Chief Minister's residence and yet no action has been taken from the party as of yet. In fact, the Delhi BJP also goes on to allege here that in fact Vaibhav did all of this on the directions of the Kejriwal. So certainly here big allegations coming, and now we are seeing very dramatic visuals from the protest here where all of these women karyakartas are trying to climb on the barricades and go towards the Chief Minister's residence to in fact demand his resignation from the Chief Minister's post over Swati Maliwal. Over to you.